Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Abdul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday 31 January 2022, now morning time. This Monday morning I visiting a agricultural land area. You can see behind my back village agricultural land area. Friends, actually it is another village. This Monday morning I visiting another village agricultural land area. This village name is Kajipur. Friends, this Monday morning I visiting this agricultural land. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে সোমবার সকালে আমি অন্য একটি গ্রামের কৃষি জমির মাঝে এসেছি। এখানে হেঁটেছি রৌদ্রোজ্জ্বল পরিবেশে। হাঁটার সময় আমি এখানে বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। এখানে আমি অনেক নতুন ফসল দেখতে পাচ্ছি, নতুন ফসল রোপণ করছে। তো এখানে এখন আমি আবর্জনা পরিষ্কার করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। লেটস গো friends. This agricultural land area really very beautiful natural place. This Monday morning I visiting this place, and now I try to cleaning this place and a bag in my hand. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start. Friends, I saw here one plastic. I collected this plastic. This is old plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our nature and natural place, so I collected this plastic. This is my used bag. Let's go friend, collected another garbage. Friends, I saw another plastic stuck in crop field, stuck in soils. This very bad plastic. This is a very bad plastic, really very bad plastic. Friends, you know I always try to save natural place. I always try to cleaning natural place. So today Monday morning I try to cleaning another village agricultural land area. I saw here another plastic, old plastic. Friends, beautiful place. Soils road, both side, crop field, village crop field, really beautiful place. I saw another plastic here. I collected this plastic. Another plastic here. Another plastic here. Another two plastic is stuck in crop field, dhan khet, paddy field. This is small paddy plastic, really very bad and old polluted plastic. One side paddy field, one side green vegetables. I saw another plastic here, very big and old plastic, really very bad. I collected this old plastic. Beautiful village agricultural land area. I saw another big plastic here. I collected this plastic, this big, very bad big two plastic, old plastic. This is a really very bad for our natural place, our environment. This is a very bad and polluted. This is a very bad for our children, our peoples. Really old and big. Friends, I saw here another plastic, uh, old plastic. I collected this plastic. Dirty, very dirty. Another plastic here. Old plastic. This is really very bad. Friends, I collected many plastic from here. Another garbage here. Cigarette packs. Cigarette packs. I saw another plastic here. One. Another two plastic here. Big plastic. Really big and old. Really very bad plastic. Collected this plastic. I saw another plastic here. Another plastic. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many polluted garbage and plastic from this agricultural land area. This plastic and garbage bag. I collected this polluted plastic and garbage from this place. Friends, now stop this bag. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this garbage bag. Now garbage bag to in dustbin of Tangle Municipal. Let's go, friend. Friends, this garbage bag to in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend.